a meatless pasta night. So this is going to taste more like beef stock just by adding a little porcini to it. So 1 small pouch, about 1 cup of dried porcini mushrooms into our vegetable stock. In this pan, I've heated up some olive oil to coat the bottom of the pot, and I'm adding carrot, celery, and onion, fine chop. And I like to add fennel, fresh bulb of fennel, fine chop. And a classic combination in Tuscan meat sauces is to reconstitute porcinis and to add lots of fresh rosemary. So rosemary goes down into the game. And then we're going to add, of course, our salt and pepper to get the juices flowing and running out of our mixture. We're now safe to add the garlic. You don't want to add the garlic first because it'll burn the garlic and make it bitter and hard. Now we want to sweat these out and give them a little time. We'll turn that back a bit and put the lid on so that I'll give a little steam a chance to escape while we're trapping most of the heat in the pan. In the pot where we've sweat the vegetable, look how much they've cooked down and the liquids have all come out now. Then you're going to add your 1 package of meat-free, plant-based beef. I'm using Impossible Burger in mine. And you just take the color away from it. You break it up a little as it starts to break down, but you're not trying to get it crispy. You're just trying to take the color away. Then it looks like this guy right here, okay? Smells amazing. To this pot where we have the meat browned out, tomato paste or sun-dried tomato paste, a couple of fat squirts of that. For this dish, traditionally, a Tuscan-style meat sauce is served with something called pici, P-I-C-I. It's a rustic, very thick pasta. Or you can buy bucatini, which is hollow fat spaghetti, which is what I have here. Much more quick cooking and more readily available in the regular grocery stores. Now we're going to add to our middle pot here with the browned meat, or meatless meat, a cup of wine, and lift up all of those good pan drippings from the bottom. Of course, the alcohol is starting to cook off as the wine concentrates in flavor and cooks down. And now we're going to add our rich, dark porcini stock. And we're going to add tomato, crushed or passata. This is passata. And then we're going to stir in our porcinis, which we chopped when we removed them from our broth. And there you go. We're going to let this simmer a few minutes. The marriage of the pasta to the sauce, we drain the pasta ahead of time, 1 to 2 minutes. We add in our starchy, salty cooking water, a ton of pecorino romano cheese. Now we're going to take some of our sauce and ladle it down over the cheese and the pasta and the starchy, salty water to combine. And this is why we undercook it, because it's continuing to cook as it goes through this process. And now you really work it to get the pasta coated with the cheese and the sauce. Pasta wants to be slathered and get saucy. That's how it gets dirty. Yeah. Then you just take a little extra of that meatless meat sauce with the porcini and all the vegetables and put it up on top.